Just taking a step back, though, just, for other women that may be listening to this or as college students, I think one thing that was critical for my success to getting into General Electric was I was part of the Society of Women Engineering. And that was really great in the sense that I had, all kinds of women around the world that were all engineers kind of going through what I was going through. So, we had a small chapter at Wentworth. But I remember being in Nashville, Tennessee at a conference, and I was just, I would sit in with other leader women in the industry and listen to them talk. And I'm like, I want to be that one day, and I think that also helped me drive to know that I wanted to be into manufacturing and at a large company because, usually the people that they have talking coming from that background. So I think that is critical for women that are in college. Get involved in other organizations, go to, those conferences. Maybe now it's virtual, but, go to those conferences, meet other women who are going through what you're going through at all levels of the industry.